My future for Rotterdam consists of an acceleration of the current success, I think, while still maintaining the authentic spirit of Rotterdam. The entrepreneurial spirit of Rotterdam, the rawness of the Rotterdammers, they make the city, you know, and we want to welcome all people, but they should contribute to the city, and that's the essence of being a Rotterdammer.
How I contribute to the future of Rotterdam, I think by being myself, doing what I do as a presenter, and trying to connect people from different realms to make the city a better place.
If I was a mayor of Rotterdam, I would give 400, 500 clubs and let them dance 24 hours.
If I had the possibility to change something, I would stop with having cars on the Maas Boulevard and would make the Maas more a public place like London does. It's important that we try to mobilize the city into the future, into some new areas which are more close by the center than we ever thought.
If I was the mayor for one day, public transport should drive all night long, and we should bring back the dance parade, which was a huge success previously, and I really miss that.